I have 18 disputes, not trusting those kind of clients. I have missing $6,225.96. My colleagues has same problem and say, hey, I have a transaction in a flower shop and I didn't made it. Please charge me back. I don't have a money, I don't have a product. Fraudulent card, stolen card. It's only proofing with an ID and we have to discuss about it. Welcome back to Bordeaux Flowers channel. My name is Kate and today I have pretty interesting topic to discuss with you. Is it my pain for I think almost a year, and today we're gonna discuss about disputes. Before to start, please give us a follow, like this video, because every action is very important to us, especially in the start. Let's go. So about disputes. I found what is dispute about 10 months ago. Dispute or chargeback, it's a procedure between a company, as me, like small business, a bank and a customer. So for an example, a client is coming on our website, choose the product, place the product, pay with a card. Most of the time, it's not own card. It's someone's fraudulent card, stolen card. And then we make the product, we deliver it, everything is good. And in 2 weeks, the owner of the card is coming to the bank and say, hey, I have a transaction in a flower shop and I didn't made it. It's not my transaction. So please charge me back. Give me back my money. So the bank is starting investigation with me, with a business, and ask us, did you make this order? And I say yes. And then, do you have any proofs? Like ID, like pictures, conversation. I'm giving all the pictures, conversation, all the proofs, but the bank is not accepting it because I don't have an ID. And the money from the product is going back to the bank. So the bank is giving money back to the card. And I don't have a money, I don't have a product, but somebody is having the product and somebody else is having the money. And this is not only my pain. I found that a lot of florists in Chicago, my colleagues, has same problem. And we have to discuss about it. This is insane when somebody is just paying with someone's card, with someone's stolen card. And I have so many histories with people who has pickup, people who are lying and paying with someone's card on the phone. And I'm just trusting them, giving the product, and then I have a chargeback. And nowadays, let me just go and check. I just found. For nowadays, I have 18 disputes. I have missing $6,225.96. Unbelievable. Like I'm missing again $6,225.96 because I wasn't attention. I give a trust to somebody just go on the website, place with a fraudulent card, someone like credit card, and all those money right now are missing. And this is not only me, and this is not only my business. So what I want to do today, just giving some of my advices which really helped me to survive nowadays, because right now owner of a business have to fight for their money, and that's make me crazy. And to be honest, you have to deal with a bank and see who is the winner. So most of the time, the holder of the card won the money. So his money went back and from my account. I won the disputes, I think 2 or 3 times, just because I had the ID. Most of the clients are wondering why you're requesting ID, because we have our risking manager on the website. We set up on our website risk manager. So in case if our website says, hey, this is maybe a risk payment, so please make sure take extra information from your client. So solution number 1, request from your client the credit card and ID card. So in this way, when he comes for a pickup, you know that the card with which he paid has same name as his ID, and his ID has the same name from the credit card, and the pictures like are the same. So now you have a proof of the ID. Sometimes we request the pictures on it from our official phone number. So please do not trust any other number if somebody is just requesting your information. We are contacting through our official Gmail and then through our official phone number. So having a proof or ID, you just can load during the chargeback, so you're just winning your dispute. Solution number 2, if you feel that the client is acting somehow strange, weird, you are calling him, he's not taking the phone, he said, oh, leave somewhere the flowers, or like leave somewhere the products, I'm not gonna be at home, somebody else will be at home. I'm not trusting those kind of clients. Honestly, it's easier for me to cancel the order, to not make it, and to not miss my dispute, to not miss my money. It's just better to cancel. And solution number 3, we're just taking every client who has an order more than $300. Most of the disputes are paid. Do you hear this noise? What to do? What to do? What to do? I'm sorry if you hear this noise. I don't know when I will gonna stop, but I really have to finish my video filming in the park. That's how it is. So I wanted to continue with my ideas. Mostly the disputes are on amount about $200, $300, $400, $500, and no greeting cards, weird Gmail, unanswering phone calls, no message. But when you text them, we have to cancel the order, they call you immediately. That's something weird. I mean, you just have to try and see how it's going on. The only solution where we're gonna help you during the disputes, it's only proofing with an ID. Unfortunately, we had orders which was canceled because people just didn't want to show the ID or sending us the private information. But as I said, I have 18 disputes and it's starting in August 2022. So it's almost for a year. And having every order, we have to call, we have to make sure that this is the owner of the card. Yeah, that's the thing. To finalize this video, I want to encourage all the business owners, especially the flower shops, because we have so many investments. Please do not despair. I was crying on my first disputes. I was so angry on everyone because this is my small business. Why you're doing those things? We're just paying someone's cards. Is it real? And I was losing all those disputes. I would try to call different business owners and see how you are doing. And now, honestly, I'm just laughing, I'm just smiling and say, okay, this was a lesson for me, so next time I'm gonna catch you. Yeah, just take a look on all those ones from a better part. I'm still working on finding the best solution. I'm still working. Hope you never had a dispute and you will not gonna have, never ever. To finalize this video, I just want to support every business saying, do not despair. Please go on, keep moving and do what you have to do. This is part of a video. We cannot be covered on the disputes and on all those kind of things. Please leave in comments if you had any disputes, how you fight with this, what you're doing, do you request an ID, or maybe you have any other solution. It will be pretty useful for me because we're still looking for the best solution, how to fight with all those disputes. It was nice talking to you. Thank you very much for your watching. See you next video. Bye.